Hey guys, this is Rodney Marquez, and today I'm going to show you a catch and cook video for the bluefin tuna. Where I come from, the bluefin tuna are the desired pelagic species to catch. The water temperature, the current, and lots of other factors that I really don't know about cause these bluefin tuna to stay within range of our San Diego fleet. So a lot of my fishy friends are capitalizing on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. These highly sought-out species are elusive and finicky predators, and takes the right gear, line, and bait to get them to bite. In my experience, having the appropriate fluorocarbon leader line, the right size hook, and a lively bait casted at the right place usually gets bit. The line, the hook size, vary each time you go out, and it's best to ask the deckhand or the captain for their recommendations. If you like these types of videos, please hit that like button. Let's say if we get more than 500 likes on this one, I'll make another catch and cook video for you guys. Okay, so in the following scene, I was able to hook up on a bluefin tuna on a chartered boat. I hope you enjoy this video.
Let me go right, under you. Let me go over here. Feel line, yep. Hot rail, coming right.
Watch that thumb. This is gonna be the biggest sculpin I've ever seen.
Get him.
All the way around the ankle.
Go.
You got him back on your side?
I believe so. Yeah? Yeah.
Get that one on bait or a jig?
Bait, belly hook, size 4, 20-pound fluoro.
Got a chance to bluefin. I marked all those fish. Lose the other one? Instantly. Instantly.
Maybe a bluefin actually. Color, deep color. Deep color. Free spool.
You're not gonna say nothing.
Oh, that was a good gap.
Close. Come on, look what we got.
Bluefin? Woo!
That boy Rodney!
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go!
Thanks for the gaff. Woo! There you go, guys. Bluefin bite on the bass rod. I'm gonna hold this guy up. So this bluefin, this tuna was caught. I belly hooked the bait and he swallowed it. That new AFTCO leader line, 30-pound test, doing pretty well. Size 4 hook right there, guys. I'm just gonna hold her up. Woo! Oh, that was a good fight.
So I got a huge help from my sister-in-law from Foodbonics to cook this tuna. She was able to fillet and utilize the whole bluefin tuna, stored the head, collar for future sinigang, a Filipino dish, and utilized the belly and the big fillets for dinner. For the fillets, we made seared tuna. We melted butter with olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Gently placed the seasoned tuna in a skillet for about 1 minute. The tuna was served with rice, cucumbers, cilantro, green onions, and other ingredients to heighten its flavor. At the end, it was the best catch and cook tuna I ever had. If you like this video and you want to see more, click that like button and subscribe. Again, this is Rodney Marquez. Until next time, see ya!